Buying something on Bricklink is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. If you don't have a Bricklink account, you will need to create one. Visit the Bricklink website, which is bricklink.com, and sign up by providing the required information. Use the search bar on the home page to find the specific Lego sets, parts, or minifigures you are looking for. You can also browse categories or explore stores. When you find the item you want to buy, click on the listing to view details. Each listing will show the item's price, quantity available, and the store selling it. Before making a purchase, review the store's policies, including shipping costs, payment methods accepted, and any other terms they may have. If you are satisfied with the terms and conditions, you can add the items to your shopping cart. You can continue shopping and add more items from the same or different stores to your cart. Once you've added all the items you want to purchase, go to your shopping cart. Review your order and click on the Proceed to Checkout button. Provide your shipping address and any other required information during the checkout process. Choose a payment method. Bricklink supports various payment options, including credit cards and PayPal. Confirm your order details and complete the purchase. If you're using PayPal, you may be redirected to the PayPal website to complete the payment. After completing the purchase, you can track your order to your Bricklink account. Sellers usually provide tracking information once the order is shipped. Once you receive your order, consider leaving feedback for the seller. This helps build the reputation of the seller within the Bricklink community.